In this video we will talk about how to get rid of brain fog. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Brain fog is that sensation you have when you just can't think clearly. Perhaps you can't concentrate, or even figure out what you need to be concentrating on. You might stare at the paper in front of you or at the job you need to do. There may be thoughts swirling in your head, but they aren't organized or helpful. What can you do about this? Try the following quick tips, and then the powerful techniques that follow. Create clear space to prevent brain fog. It's rare that a person can work better in clutter. At the very least, an organized home or office means you won't have the thought, "Where is that?" distracting your mind. Avoid sugars. To understand the concept of brain fog, eat sugary cake on an empty stomach, then try to do math problems 20 minutes later. I think you'll get the point. This is called the sugar blues. Try walking. I'm convinced the research will eventually show this to be one of the best things you can do to improve the quality of your thinking, but don't wait for the proof. Walking has enough other health benefits anyhow. Try more or better quality sleep. People's sleep requirements vary, but the bare minimum for most is somewhere around 5 hours, and many of us suffer if we sleep less than 8. Some research indicates that after a minimum quantity, say, 4 hours, the quality of sleep is more important than the quantity for normal brain function. Avoid getting bored. When it is difficult to concentrate because you are bored with what you are working on, you need to stop and consider why it is important, if it is. When you see the benefits clearly, it is usually easier to concentrate. Powerful techniques for dispelling brain fog. Thinking problems are often due to stress and worry, so take care of these in order to start thinking more efficiently. First, try a simple stress reliever. Close your eyes and take several deep breaths through your nose. Allow the tension to run out of your muscles as you do this, and try to pay attention to your breath, so any other thoughts can slip away. When this doesn't get rid of your brain fog, try a more involved mindfulness exercise. It will take just a few minutes, and will work better the more you use it. You basically just stop what you are doing and watch your own thoughts and feelings. With practice, you'll start to identify the thoughts that are busy sapping your concentration just below consciousness. As you identify these energy wasters, you need to do something about them. If it's a worry about a loved one, for example, call him to see if things are okay, or just make a note on your calendar to visit him. The idea here is that by either directly resolving the issue or categorizing it, you'll be able to drop it. This can work even if all you do is tell yourself, "I can't do anything about this until Tuesday." Saying so gives your mind permission to drop the thought for now. You see, concentration is automatic, until you are distracted by your surroundings or your own thoughts. This may be every few seconds for some of us, but by using the tips above and the simple exercises, you can learn to remove the distractions, and control your wandering mind. In other words, you can clear out the brain fog. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.